Hi, I don't mean to intimidate you or anything, but I'm almost certain that I know what you're thinking about right now. Why is Simona bombarding me with images that are clearly from this course but don't make any sense to me right now? Well, because learning a new programming language can be a confusing journey as you can't really know where you will end up or how you will use your new skills. I just want to get all of the confusion out of the way at once so we can move on with the course. That's what this video is for, to show you, plain and simple, 10 things you will learn throughout this course. This can be your star guide as you're going through the sections. Alright, here are 10 things you will learn in R programming for statistics and data science.
1.
Take a flat data file that looks like this and read it into R to the end result of that. You'll be doing this on the daily, wherever your programming path takes you, so that's that.
2.
When faced with a task, the solution of which requires iterating through a set of commands, be able to create the correct loop, for, while, or repeat from scratch to complete it.
3.
Be confident in writing your own functions, even if it is just so you can simulate playing a game of cards when you're missing a deck. To create a simulation may sound abstract, but I assure you it's grounded in only a few lines of code and strict logic.
4.
Learn how to twist and wrangle raw data that is extremely difficult to work with as it is, and create data structures that can be read and understood by the least data-savvy member of your team. Data science stands on the shoulders of giants, and one of these giants is clean and organized data.
5.
Extract information and group summaries from your data to gain insight about what your data looks like, how you can expect it to behave when manipulated, and how it will visualize. Sixth, create data visualizations that tell a simple story, a medium complexity story, and an information-rich story. Whatever your audience, you will be able to address their comprehension level and needs. Seventh, write fast and easy to follow code that, instead of reading like this, captures your natural thought process and can be shared with non-proficient R users. 8. You will learn how to create hypotheses and ask the correct questions. And after you've asked the questions, how to get the answers out of R and understand how they inform your decision making. 9th, regression analysis. You will know when to use it and how it works. You will plug the data into R and it will spit out numbers and statistics. You will be able to compare different regression models and know which one has a bigger explanatory power. And 10th, this course teaches you that curiosity is the learner's best companion and that asking questions gets us from this level of complexity to that level of complexity. R is a community. Be part of ours.